Alright guys, I'm putting the stock water to oil cooler back on the motor. I know a lot of people hate them, they rust out, all that good stuff. I read a good comment in the forums, and the guy said basically that it was not having the proper amount of antifreeze is a part of the reason they rust out. And I'm kind of a believer in that. Mine's in extremely good shape. We live in a dry area, so it didn't rust from the outside. I could see that happening, but I think when people run a lot of water, or they forget, or they are lazy, or some owner at some point runs water in the system, that's when I could see it rusting out. So here it is right here. I repainted it, and I've got these band clamps I'm going to use because I'm having to reuse the hose. Gates makes one, but it's apparently not quite the right angle. If I can remember, I'll throw the Gates part number in, but I've heard and read on the forums that it doesn't fit, and so a lot of people switch at that point because there's not a good fitment. So I would like to switch at some point, just don't have the money to get a adapter, and don't want to get the kind that has hoses. I want to do AN fittings, and so I'll take care of it at some point, but for now we'll go ahead and get this put in. The O-ring size, let me go look real quick. The O-ring size is a number 20 and a number 145, and I bought Buna in O-rings. So a number 020 and a number 145 is what I used. So we're gonna figure out how to orientate those clamps, and we'll get on it here. So mine just happened to be 10 millimeter, and I think now that I've seen that, I think that this one can also go out this direction, like that. Okay, I think that's how I'm going to do it. So, we'll get this one on. I think maybe I'll put that one on first. And then this side can go on, and this O-ring is still on. Ay, ay, ay. Make sure your O-rings stay on. It's not even close. Okay, what can you guys see? That's a pretty good angle for you guys. Let's move you around, maybe over here a little bit. Okay. The bolt is the bolt's a 3/4. And I thought I was going to need an extension, but being out here on the ground, I don't. That's not the right angle. So there's a little tab right here that comes up against the block, which means that that has to rotate a little bit. Okay. And then I'm going to orientate these like this, so they're sticking forward. Hopefully that's right. Oh yeah, sorry guys. Oh, oh. And I got 2-inch clamps, and I'm not sure one's going to be big enough, small enough. The other one may have required the next size down, so we'll find out here. And you need an extension for this. Alright, I got like a 6-inch extension. Is that enough? Try not to hit your fan. Now I'm going to tip mine up as far as I can get it to get it sucked back in there a little further. You could get the spring-loaded clamps. I just got regular band clamps because I hate worm gear clamps. Make sure that that's not hitting back there. Is that going to hit? Oh no, it comes forward. So it sticks out pretty far no matter what. If that's a problem, I'll trim it. Yeah, these could have been maybe even 1.5 inches, 1 3/4, I mean. And of course I'm fat sweating. So, wrong size clamps. There's really not much more to the install than that. I'm going to get some smaller T-clamps. I'll go ahead and show you guys a different angle. So you can see bolt is tight. It's tight right here. The indexed portion I was talking about is all right, it's right here. That goes in between the pan oh, there we go. That goes in between the pan and the block right there. So, all right, hopefully I'm in focus. So, quick little video on that water to oil cooler. As always, I hope this helps somebody, and we'll do something else here in a little while. Bye.